Good Thursday evening, a little toasty out there today. Here's our time lapse with our Charlottesville camera. Put that in motion here in just a moment. And throughout the course of the day, we've had a mix of clouds and sunshine. But again, temperatures on the hot side, upper 80s and low 90s for many of us, but it wasn't overly humid. Even at this hour, 88 with a dew point of 61 feels pretty close to the actual air temperature. Now, as we get into the Independence holiday weekend, that humidity will be on the rise. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 84 there in Stanton. Afternoon high of 86, and some other numbers at this hour still holding on to 89 in Culpeper, 88 in Palmyra, it's 87 in Buckingham, and a pleasant 73 on the mountain at Wintergreen. Now, as we take a look at temperatures here for the overnight, very similar to where they've been the last couple of mornings, basically anywhere from the mid 60s to near 70, mostly clear skies, a pleasant evening. Tomorrow could be one of our hottest days so far of the season. Temperatures for most of us will top out in the middle 90s across central Virginia, low 90s in the Shenandoah Valley, and temperatures in terms of the real feel will be a little bit higher than that, but again, certainly a hot day and looks to remain storm-free for Friday as well. Heading into Independence Day on Saturday, temperatures low to mid 90s. There'll be a few storms developing during the afternoon. Not a washout, just have a backup plan. And Sunday, temperature right around 90 with some scattered showers and storms. Specifically for that firework forecast at Carter Mountain taking place on Saturday evening. Again, the risk of a thunderstorm beyond 8 o'clock is pretty low. Temperatures in the lower 80s to upper 70s across the region. As we take a look at the visible satellite picture, you'll notice how the cloud movement today has really been from north to south, and that's the general wind flow, and that's allowed a little push of some drier air to filter in. So again, we have a quiet scan tonight of NBC29's exclusive dual-pole triple Doppler radar. High pressures over the Great Lakes, that's allowing a little bit of push of that northerly wind, allowing things to dry out. There's a front that's well to our south, some showers and storms there, but again, you look at temperatures, you still see lots of temperatures right around 90 or so. A few locations have been rain cooled, but the humidity is a lot higher off to our south and west. You get down toward Atlanta and Nashville, and that's kind of the push of that more humid air mass that will start to unfold as we head into the upcoming weekend. So temperatures in the morning, upper 60s, lower 70s, and then we're going to heat up in a hurry. By noontime, we could already be at 90 or a little higher. Most of us in the low and mid 90s tomorrow with a lot of sunshine, and then we'll start a more muggy conditions here for Saturday morning, Independence Day morning, upper 60s, lower 70s. Morning hours look dry. As we head into the afternoon, there will be a few thunderstorms developing, but again, widely scattered, but again, downpours that could certainly knock the temperatures back down in the 70s and 80s, but it'll feel like a steam bath, low to mid 90s for afternoon highs. So for tonight, mostly clear, could be a little patchy fog, 65 to around 70. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Certainly July's heating up, and we've got a building heat wave here over the next several days as temperatures will basically hover in the low and mid 90s throughout the holiday weekend. And then we get into next week, there'll be the risk of a shower or thunderstorm at least each afternoon. Temperatures pretty close to 90 or at least low 90s. So yeah, hot as a firecracker for Independence Day weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thanks.